Georgia Nunn here with Magic of Juicing. I'm glad you're here today and welcome to my kitchen. Do your fingers hurt and your toes hurt? Do you have arthritis? Today I want to share a recipe for arthritis and joint pain. There are few natural treatments that actually exhibit some signs of effectiveness with both pain relief and slowing the progression of the disease. Getting the inflammation down was my main goal. Fresh fruits and vegetables help with this. The mainstream researchers say that the cause of arthritis is free radicals. You have cells whose main goal is to steal the life from other cells. Fresh fruits and vegetables are rich in antioxidants. The nutrients help neutralize the free radicals. I have little to no pain with my arthritis since I've started juicing. My pain level is way down. The only time I know some pain is if rain's coming. The day before it rains, I'll get maybe one of my joints aching a little bit. Today, this recipe is going to include potato, ginger root, kiwi, and pineapple. So we'll start out here. I have my vegetables already. We'll put our red potato in. You only need one red potato. Then you're going to use a fourth pineapple. And I like to slice my pineapples like this for my juicer. Pineapple is rich in bromelain, which is an enzyme that helps in digestion. Bromelain soothes the throat and it cures laryngitis. Great for that. Bromelain breaks down the amino acids in the digestive system, so you have better digestion. It gives you an energy boost. The vitamin C fights the radicals and enhances your immune system. It's great for eye health. Get my juicer ketchup over there. Then you need 2 kiwis. Scientists don't totally understand it, but kiwis have an odd way of protecting the DNA cells from damage. Kiwis will reduce your triglycerides and protect your blood vessels and your heart. They say they have antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that are really good for managing arthritis. 2 or 3 kiwis a day for 4 weeks reduce the potential for forming blood clots by nearly 20% compared to those who do not eat kiwi. And then you only need a 1/4 inch of ginger root. Ginger root is excellent for anti-inflammatory properties. And then the potato, which I already put in, the fresh potato along with the skin is one of the good sources of antioxidant vitamin C. Its regular consumption of foods rich in vitamin D help the body fight inflammation. Stir your ingredients. Pour into your glass. And you have a delicious juice for arthritis. As you can see by these ingredients, they all give you benefits in helping you with pain and your inflammation. This is Georgia saying juice to your health, and if you'd like some free recipes, go to my blog at magicofjuicing.blog.